This page has been layout using tables. The table technique for the layout of the page is falling into disuse in favor to the div tag. You can notice here that in this layout of the page the text falls straight vertically without wrapping the image. If you want that your text wraps around the image, meaning that the text comes naturally to the image when the image is complete, it must then use the div tag that will allow you to make this layout. Doing this with Dreamweaver CS4? First, we will create a new HTML page in the creation column and using the HTML tab. Then we will insert a div tag. So I click on the insert menu, then objects, layout, and div tag. Here we ask me to apply a style on my div tag. I don't apply any style and I click on the OK key. And I will now enter my text inside of the div tag. Seems to look like that. Okay. My text is written. Now I will create in my div tag another div tag which will contain my image. So I position here, for instance, my cursor. So I do insert menu, then object, layout, and div tag. Another one, we ask me if I want a style. I don't apply any style and I click on OK. So now I can insert my image by insert menu, image. I choose the image I want to insert and click on OK twice. So I write little street for the tooltip and I click on OK. So the image is inserted here in the second div tag. So the inserted text here doesn't interest me, so I can delete it. Now, by clicking on the image, I will set up its position. So I will indicate that this image must be right justified. So here I choose right justified. Okay. My image being right justify, you can notice that the text touches here the image. So I will reserve a space between the text and the image. So, still in the Properties window of the image, in the vertical space I will indicate that I want, for instance, a 3 pixel space, and in the horizontal space, for instance, a 10 pixel space. So I shifted my text in my image here. So you shifted the text in your image. I save my work by using the File menu and then the Save option, and I name my new file, for instance, Div Layout, and I click on the Save key. So, using now the View Display, or by clicking the F12 key here, I check that the work has been correctly done. Here, the text wraps correctly the image. So, we have seen in this section how to lay out a text and an image using the div tag.